It's so cool up here. It's all ice, so it's very slick, but it's so cool. Hi guys!
Hey.
Alright, so we are road tripping today.
Where are we going?
We're going to Holland Beach in kind of the town. If you live in Michigan, welcome to our lovely map. I live like here-ish over by Grand Rapids, so we just drove like 40 minutes over here, kind of towards the lake shore. So, we are just gonna go walk around and take some pictures, but I really want to take New Year's Eve pictures. We are currently at Party City, and we're gonna go to Party City and get some goodies for pictures, and then, yeah, we'll take you along for the rest of the trip.
See ya.
Bye! We found the disco ball. Welcome to Party City. Alright, we're just gonna look around a little bit now and then we'll keep going. Come out of the bathroom and this is what you're doing. Thank you so much. Hey guys!
Hey.
So we made it to
Holland.
downtown Holland. And the sun is out and I need the sun out for this picture we're gonna do. So we did a quick car change of clothes. And now I'm doing my makeup in the car. And then we're gonna go take pictures.
Beautiful pictures.
So this should be fun.
Going to try to find a spot.
I'm not gonna stay warm for very long in this dress.
Me and Benjamin.
And to think you used to be shy when we were vlogging.
I am.
Made it to the beach.
It's a little cool.
It's a little chilly, but it's okay. It's really not too bad. It could be way worse for being the end of December in Michigan.
It's not that windy or anything.
No, and there's not snow either. It's so weird.
It's supposed to snow tonight though.
It's... It's so cool up here. It's all ice, so it's very slick, but it's so cool.
It's so cool. It's a little icy.
Just a
as you
little
can
bit.
see.
Oh, please do not. Do not. We took some more really cool pictures and I'm excited to show you guys. And we're gonna go back to the warm car now. Yay! so cold.
It's so cold.
It's so cold and it's supposed to snow in like an hour. So hopefully we can start heading home before then.
We're gonna eat and bounce.
Eat bounce. Okay, bye. Alright guys, we're home. We made it safely. We found Alien. And I've been in my room editing and he's been working. And my mom just texted me to come upstairs. And he doesn't know what's going on.
I think I do know.
He does now. But we're gonna go outside and I'm really excited. This is what he's coming out to. It hasn't done this since he's been here. Okay, look.
Snow. Lots of snow.
Come on. It's like hardcore snowing finally. We've been waiting for this. It's finally here. Maybe we can build a snowman tomorrow. Hi guys.
Hey.
So it's the morning and we made a snowman. Ta-da. Just for snowman.
It's super fun.
Was it hard?
It wasn't that hard.
Was it cold?
It was cold.
Okay. Alien joined us. Okay, that's all. Bye. We did it.
Mailman too. Yeah.
Make a snow angel. Don't get in my snow angel. Don't get in much of trouble. It's harder than it. What?
The hard snow's hard.
Wow! Did it work?
Yeah?
I'm going for Jeff!
You're getting yours. Too bad.
And then the art of getting up so you don't ruin yours. What's that? No angel.
Just on your butt.
Go lay down.
Flex,
Okay.
yeah.
Alright, now squat.
Squat.
And sit back. There's your muscle. Okay, I'll put the lights out, I guess. Now you can do it.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Good. Now sit up. Sit up. Sit.
Oh my gosh.
Come on. Okay, now, careful. Carefully. Now step out, jump. He did it! Yeah! Woo! Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed that vlog. Jeff, did you like the snow?
Snow was awesome. A little cold, but it was fun. Building the snowman and all that.
Alright, there you have it. He liked it. Well, we are gonna get on with the day, and we will talk to you later.
Talk to you soon.
Bye guys.
Bye.